What is the cloud? According to many organizations, it's mostly a marketing construct. People are cynical about vendors that use cloud as a buzzword because they think it's mostly just a repackaging of old ideas to dress them up as something new. But some people do get it. They understand that the cloud can be a useful tool for delivering IT more effectively. Some even think it's a revolutionary tool that could define the future of business computing. But how? The answer could be in your pocket, or at least your bag. Mobile computing is one of the biggest technology growth areas in modern business. Laptops pioneered the mobile space, but now smartphones are gaining a foothold. Tablets are next. We use our mobile devices for a wide range of enterprise applications. Almost 80% of companies use mobile or remote access for collaboration. 90% use it for email. The problem is that our mobile devices are proliferating, which makes them more difficult to manage. But manage them we must. All the data suggests that they produce happier, more productive employees, and that impacts top-line revenues. That's why enterprises think it will become more important to support personal devices as they flood the organization. That's great in theory, but supporting them could be a burden for the IT department. Perhaps the cloud can help. The cloud is a good way of managing those devices because it provides centralized access to services and eliminates the need for non-managed devices to touch the network at all. But not many people are using the cloud yet for critical mobile applications. There is room for expansion here, but organizations need to understand what cloud is. There are different types, but no one really understands them. There are two main types of cloud deployment model. The private cloud is a collection of virtualized hardware inside an organization, automatically managed by a software layer that optimizes the system for performance and availability. The public cloud offloads the whole mess to a third-party provider, which then provides cloud computing services without the organization having to own or manage its own hardware. These differ from fixed infrastructure in-house solutions and from co-located servers, which are often not virtualized and which require more manual management. Mature cloud computing sees companies evolve from a fixed infrastructure to an outsourced one. It gets more complex still though. Within public cloud infrastructure, companies can opt for infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized servers and storage for the customer to manipulate directly. Platform as a service provides software libraries and frameworks on which customers can deploy their own applications. Software as a service offerings, such as Microsoft Office 365, provide the simplest proposition of all. Applications accessible directly from the cloud via mobile and other devices. But software as a service and public cloud, where applications are managed and delivered by a third-party cloud service provider, are by far the most understood. IT decision makers responsible for solving business problems rather than poring over technical details can get confused by such obscure terms as platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. It can be particularly difficult to know where infrastructure ends and platform begins. But not everyone understands even this basic concept. This means that they won't realize the benefits of marrying mobile computing and cloud services. Filling this gap is a matter of market education, better communication between vendors and organizations, and convincing those naysayers that the cloud is here and that it does matter. Those who get the message first could reap the rewards. Are you ready?